Hey everyone, it's Ranting Rhonda. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Okay, today I need to talk about people who freaking complain when others yawn and then say that they're lazy, okay? Have you ever thought why that person is yawning? Maybe it's because they work way too much and don't have time to sleep. You're the lazy one who gets, what, 10 hours, 12 hours of sleep? The other person's working, barely has any sleep, so when they're yawning, that means they're actually working harder than you. Alright? So if you see someone yawning, maybe say, I freaking respect you for working hard, instead of complaining that they're lazy. Alright?